Hi. Beautiful day today, and we are cleaning the desktop PC with this. Tools you need for this one, so you can remove the lid, a brush, clean brush, and one of these, a blower. Alright, let's have a look. Look at the dust. Ew. By the way, this is a 10-year-old PC, okay? So don't judge. Alright, see the dust? Dust everywhere. Yeah? Also in here. Ooh, look at the dust. Okay, so we're gonna blow it out. Let's go. This first. Noisy. Just soft bristles, soft touch. Yeah. That's it. Will it still work? We'll find out later. Okay, so that removed all the cobwebs and the build-up dust. Okay. All right, all done. Okay, desktop number 2. Ooh la la. Ooh la la. Ooh, the dust. Look at the CPU. Woohoo! Oh my goodness. So we're gonna give it a good yeah, dust off. Yeah. Even this one. See it? And then Okay. And then the brush. Okay, I guess that's it. We're done. Time to plug this up and see if it's still working. Dun dun dun! It's the end of the world! Oh my god! Armageddon! No! The sky is burning! No! Ah! Nah, Lance is just taking the rubbish bins out. But look at the sky, man. Damn. Whoa. See that? Nice. Noisy.